Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you how to make a copycat version of Costco's turkey provolone sandwich. Let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Today we'll start off by using some ciabatta bread. Ciabatta bread is the perfect choice due to its crispy top and soft interior. Now for our sauces, we'll be using some mayonnaise and some jarred pesto. Now spread some mayonnaise equally on the bottom side of the sandwich, then repeat for your pesto on the top side of the sandwich. If you're a pesto lover, feel free to spread a thick amount. Now it's time to bring in the star of the show, some delicious turkey deli meat. And let's put on some nutty provolone cheese. If you can't find provolone, you could also use mozzarella. Now let's bring forward our vegetables. Thinly slice one tomato. Tomato is a perfect accompaniment for the sandwich because it keeps your sandwich from drying out. Let's bring forward vegetable number 2, a red onion. Thinly slice your onion into thin slices. I like to use red onions because I find them a touch milder and a touch more colorful. If you don't have red onions, no sweat, just use some white onions. It's toasting time! Toasting this sandwich in an oven or a toaster oven will bring this sandwich to the next level. Toast your sandwich open face for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you toast your sandwich open face because you want your sandwich to be warm the whole way through. Let's put our super speedy masterpiece together. And there you have it. A quick, easy, delicious lunch that will give any cafe turkey sandwich a good run for its money. Enjoy! If you like this turkey provolone sandwich, check out my easy ham and cheese croissant lunch.